Hi, you guys. I am so excited. I was out shopping and I found this adorable little set from MCM Mode Creation Munich. This is Mighty Bear. It's one of, I think, 4 or more animals from this company. And I had heard of this company, just hadn't seen anything around that I was able to try. And so the thing about this one is it was created in 2025. It is a shared fragrance. The nose is Sophie Labbe. And there is sesame in the middle notes. I didn't want to bore you reading notes to you, but I want to tell you there's sesame in the middle notes. I'll be interested to try that because I'm going to unbox this right now for you and tell you supposedly Fragrantica readers felt it was similar to Dior Addict and Lush Vanillary and Serge Luton Amber Sultan. But someone, and this is interesting to me, someone said it's a softer, weaker Shalimar. And I sold Shalimar back in the day, and I'm going to tell you if that's true or not. We're going to open it together. Here we go. I do not want to hold both of them up and have one fall out, so I'm just going to pull out this one and spray it. Okay, here we go, the moment of truth. Oh, little bear, you're so cute. Okay. Okay. You know what this immediately reminds me of? Something really great that my friend Michelle sent me. Oh my gosh, and I can't even remember the name of it now. I'll be right back. Thanks for waiting. It is like Jean Patou Sublime. So, really pretty fragrance. It is a shared fragrance. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm Bo, by the way. Bye.